This hidden gem should be on your bucket list. Welcome to Cape Town, where vibrant culture meets unreal natural beauty. Imagine standing atop Table Mountain, gazing out at jaw-dropping ocean views as the city buzzes below. Indulge in Cape Malay cuisine, a celebration of flavors as rich as the city's history. Think spiced curries and sweet coexisters that awaken your taste buds. Feeling adventurous? Drive along the iconic Chapman's Peak Road for cliffs that kiss the clouds, or visit Bo-Cap, where colorful houses tell endless stories. Cape Town is not just visually breathtaking, but it proudly welcomes diversity, making it a safe haven for LGBTQ+ and Black travelers alike. Experience, explore, and celebrate here. So, what's stopping you? Travel where you're celebrated, not just tolerated. Pack your bags. Your next adventure awaits. Where should we travel next? Drop your dream destination in the comments below and subscribe to Destination Travel for more adventures.